Hi friends, good evening to one and all. My name is Karthik. I'm pursuing BTech third year in VVT College in DA subject. I will explain one topic. The topic is dominance rule and or working rule. In dominance rule, mostly explain example. That example is take the two values m is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, profit values and weight values. So initially I will take the value s power 0 is equal to 0 comma 0. That formula is s power 0 is equal to s1 union s power 0. Mostly I will calculate s1 power 0 is equal to s power 0 plus pi comma wi. In profit values and weight values are substituting the formula. The formula for the formula values are P1 W1 is equal to 1 comma 2 W2 and P2 W2 is equal to 2 comma 3. P3 W3 is equal to 5 comma 4. Step 1, s power 1 is equal to s power 0 union s power 0. Mostly s1 0 is equal to s power 0 plus P1 W1. Take the values. S power 1 is equal to 0, 0 comma 0 plus 1 comma 2. S1 is equal to S power 0 union S power 0. S1 is equal to S power 0. I will take the given that 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0 union of 0 comma 0, 1 comma 2. That values are 0 comma 0, 1 comma 2. And S2 is equal to S1 union S11. S11 is equal to S11 plus P2 W2. S11 is equal to S11 value 0 comma 0, 1 comma 2. And P2 W2 values are 2 comma 3. S11 is equal to these values are given. S2 is equal to S1 union S11. S2 is equal to S11 values are 0 comma 0, 1 comma 2, union of 0 comma 0, 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 3. The values are S2 is equal to 0 comma 0, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 5. S3 is equal to S12 is equal to right of S2 plus P3 comma 33. S12 is equal to S2 value 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 5. And P3 values are P3 and W3 values are 5 comma 4, 5 comma 4. S11 is equal to 5 comma 4, 6 comma 8, 6 comma 6 and 7 comma 7, 8 comma 8. These values are cancelled. S12 is equal to 5 comma 4, 6 comma 6, S3 is equal to S2 union S1 square, S3 is equal to S2 values are 0 comma 0, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 5, and thus values take take the union 5 comma 4, 6 comma 6, S3 is equal to 0 comma 0, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 5, 5 comma 4, 6 comma 6. It is cancelled. PIA, PIWI, PJWJ. So in this formula we will take the PI greater than or equal to PJ, that values are 3 less than or 5, WI less than or equal to WJ, 5 less than or 4. So I will explain optimal solution. S3 is equal to 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 5 comma 4, 6 comma 6. It is final output. Optimal solution. Finally explain optimal solution. That optimal solution x3 is equal to it is x3 is PIJI, PJ. That values are x3 belongs to x3 belongs to S3 and S2 not belongs to 0, and 6 minus P3 comma 6 minus W3. That values are 6 comma 5, 6 comma 4, 1 comma 2. So x2 is equal to S2 belongs to 0, S3 is included. Now x2 is equal to 0, S2 is not included. This value is 1, and you take the this also 1 comma 2 is equal to 0. Then x1 is equal to S1 of S1 belongs to 0, S0 not equal to 0. This is not included. So 1 comma 2 is equal to 1. Finally, summation of PI xi is equal to P1 x1 plus P2 x2 plus P3 x3. P1 value 1 into x1 value 1 plus P2 value 2 into x2 value 0 plus P3 5 plus into 1 plus 0 plus 5 is equal to 6. Summation of Pi xi is equal to 6. This is the output of dominance rule and Perkin rule.